Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your smartwatch settings on the FitPro application if you have it connected to the app. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the settings button down below, which is the last option. Then click on Connect Smartwatch. After that you should go to your settings and connect it to your device. After that you should tap on the smartwatch settings, click on Find My Smartwatch. You can turn on the camera shutter. You can also turn on this 12-hour format button. The smart wake up, meaning that you can turn on this turn wrist to activate display function by tapping on this button. And you can also reset your smartwatch, meaning that it will be reset to the default settings. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.